Good day everyone, my name is Luigi Amit. My topic all about source of long-term financing. Long-term financing. Long-term financing refers to the fund of the business borrows or receives of to the finance major investment in project, typically with the repayment periods longer than 1 year. It can be defined as any financial instrument with a maturity exceeding 1 year in public and private equity instrument. Main source of long-term financing. First is equity, second is debt financing, and third is leasing. First is equity financing is when company raises many of selling ownership shares to the investors, and return investors get a part of the company and measures of the profit. That company doesn't need to repay the money, but selling shares means giving up the some control and ownership. Second is debt financing. Is borrowing money that must be paid back with interest without giving up ownership of the company. Last is leasing. Leasing is renting of the assets of the fixed term with a regular payment and without ownership unless by option included.